Here are the two Ben Affleck figures. This figure, by the way, guys, is from Funjoy. Funjoy is licensed by Disney and Warner Brothers. There it is, Funjoy. Now, guys, these figures, one of them have two heads, and the other one is a regular figure. Now, in order to know uh, which is which, as you can see, it has both the same cover, even the back has the same, but one of the box has two head figures, and this one is the one with the highlighted Chinese character, Chinese writings here. So it means this one has the two heads inside the box. And this one, as you can see, doesn't have the highlighted Chinese writings. So it means this is the regular figure. Now we're going to check out and open the one with the two heads. And we're going to review this regular figure next on my next video.